Hi everyone, so the videos you are watching currently were made using free and unlimited AI video generators. And it took time to find the best ones, but here are the top 5. So let's dive in. Here is the first tool that is completely free and totally unlimited. So chat.qwen AI. And it is rather easy to access, I will explain that later. So let's see the videos. For example, I wanted to here see the massive water droplet kind of video. You can create videos of 5 seconds. The environment looks like ChatGPT. You just describe the video you want to generate. So let's see this one. Looks pretty okay, especially for a free version. Yeah, good. Then I wanted to see a tiger and a massive alligator fighting underwater. And it created, I think, in a matter of a couple of minutes. Then some Western style, then sports cars, and you can play with it and do additional things, but it is free. And for the prompt, you can always use, for example, ChatGPT. Let's try to use it now. Okay, give me a realistic video prompt for 2 cats roller skating. And here we have it, so let's just paste it there. Let's see how long will it take. Nice. Generating. And here are the cats, so let's see. They're roller skating. It looks nice, not like Google VO3, but it's free, so yeah, nice. Then you can just download and that's it. So how to access this tool? It's actually pretty straightforward. Just go to the chat.qwen AI. So I logged in here in incognito mode. Then just click on the login and continue with Google or with your own email, and that's about it. No workarounds like with some other tools, as you will see later. So pretty easy, free and unlimited AI video generator. And by the way, you can do many other things also. So if you go to the screen, you see it looks like ChatGPT, deep research artifacts, image generation, video generation, code, many different things you can do with this tool completely for free. So let's go to the second one. The second one is ChatGLM.cn. It's a Chinese website and it generates pretty good images. So let's see, for example, here I made an AI video prompt for 2 sports cars. It looks pretty good. Yeah, easily downloadable, and you can generate also as many as you want. Then here I had a kind of a image to video generation. I just uploaded the image of Sydney Sweeney and video generator did its job, dancing and smiling. Yeah, she's realistic, the same as in picture, just doing the moves. Pretty good. And then you have many other options also. You can do AI reading, AI drawing, AI search. Pretty powerful tool, completely free. Now there is a workaround how to access the tool. So let me go back to the incognito mode. So here is the tool. First, when you open ChatGLM.cn from, I don't know, United States, for example, you will see all of the Chinese language. What then you can do, just right click, translate to English. So to know what is happening here. Okay. So here we have, to go to AI video generation, you need to sign in with your mobile number. Now, the application has a lot of different countries, but if your country is not there or you wouldn't like to share your phone number, there is an easy trick you can do. So what you can do is, let's say go to Google, just write temporary mobile number or temp number or whatever. Just let's say you would like to use this one, tempnumber.com. There are many other also tools like temporary-phone.number.com. Let's say you want US number and use the one that is the most freshest. So let's say this one, copy the number without +1. So just copy here, open Notepad, paste here, remove +1 and copy that number here. Go back to the chatglm.cn, log in, choose United States, paste the number and click on get verification code. And then you will receive verification code here. You just paste the 4-number code or whatever it is and put it there and log in. that's about it. Already did that, so I'll not do that once again. And if the phone number is not working, use another tool like this one, tempnumber.com. Okay, so this is the tool. As you can see here, I am logged in with that number. You can use your own number or just use that temporary number. Just be aware that when you log in with the shared number that is available publicly, some other person may be logged in with that number, and you will see their video generations here. So not all of those videos were created by myself. For example, this person was kind of obsessed with cats and creating many different cat videos and also vampire videos that actually look pretty good. Yeah, we can watch also this one. Nice. And then easily downloadable also. Okay, let's go to the third AI video generator that is completely free, at least as per my trying. So it's Dreamina by Capcut, so dreamina.capcut.com. You need to be logged in from United States or China or some other countries, but I was trying from United States, so I used NordVPN to connect to the United States, and then I tried this video generator. Let's see this one. Looks pretty good without sound, but it's actually pretty good. For example, also this video here, yeah, in the gym. Then I was trying some AI image generators that is pretty good also. Yeah. And then also the video. So alligator and tiger fighting underwater. So looks pretty good. And as you can see here, I'm logged in with one of my accounts. And basically, I don't have any credits here. As you can see, I tried logged in with many other accounts using Google, Gmail, with my dummy accounts, and I constantly get free versions. So click on create, and then you can do whatever you like. Here we have also droplet of water. And when you create, just click on AI image, AI video, or AI avatar. Choose the model, AI image 3.0 for AI images. It will take longer. And for AI videos, also video 3.0 versus video 2.0 will take much longer, but I didn't notice much difference. And then let's go to the fourth tool. This one is Stepfun.ai, and it can create many different images, videos, whatever you need, but it's kind of also not so easy to log in, but it actually is. So let me show you. So I'm once again here in incognito mode. And when you first go to the Stepfun, let's click here. You will sometimes get English version, sometimes Chinese version, just translate. And then if you go to the Agent Studio, and click on Stepfun videos, then you will see this platform, which is by default on Chinese. Click on English translation so you know what you're doing. You can already see here some of the video generations made by some other users. Pretty good, pretty realistic. And here also you need to log in with the number. Here is one tweak that you need to do when logging in. So go back to the original language, because some things don't work normally. Choose, I don't know, United States, and go back and find your number either here on tempnumber.com, temporary phone number, temporarynumber.com, and then paste the number here. You will receive the number once again here for that one. Paste the code that you receive and log in. After that, change the language back to English if this is your preferred language, and then start generating. So let's go back to the kind of a version where I'm already logged in with temporary number. As you can see, logged in, Agent Studio, video, English, and let's see history that I created along with some also other users. So one user was really obsessed with the cat, kind of a muscular cat. Weird. I created this same prompt, 2 sleek sports cars, and you can create 8-second videos here. Let's see that one. Pretty good, yeah? We have Ferrari and Lamborghini. Yeah, then again, this same user with the same temporary number creating cat. Once again, then I did some Western here. Let's see actually this one. Pretty realistic and pretty good video generation. Yeah, just describe the video content you want to generate here and that's it. Or for example, start uploading picture and then animate or make a video from that picture. And as mentioned, it can actually create pretty good and realistic images as you can see here. Yeah. You see? Nice. Okay, so let's go to the fifth tool. This is Vheer.com. It is basically completely free. Just log in with your account and you can basically create those cinematic image to video kind of things. So this is, I uploaded one image here and it just kind of made a cinematic version. Also, it is completely free. As free members, there is no need for credits. You continue to using our program with unlimited access except for the Pro Max model. So yeah, pretty easy. I here also uploaded Sydney Sweeney and made her animate and dance. The face does not look completely realistic. It's kind of a cartoonish and AI degenerated, but it works. And then as a bonus, I wanted to show you also one additional tool, which is pretty good. It's Digen AI or Digen AI. I don't know. I'll share all of the AI video generator URL in the description below. So here, for example, I uploaded the image of Brad Pitt and just said make him smile and dance. So let's see that. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I also did the same for the Sydney Sweeney, of course. And here she looks more realistic than in the previous one. Then you can do many other things. Here we have, once again, cat doing push-ups. This was my generation's cat riding a motorbike. Pretty good. Now have in mind, this is not free. Every generation costs 30 credits. You get 300 credits when you log in, but this can be actually easily solvable. There are two ways how you can do that. One way is by using Gmail aliases, for example. Go to ChatGPT. For example, create me 20 plus aliases of email test@gmail.com on ChatGPT. So he created aliases. And by the way, if you didn't know, all of those are functional emails. So test plus work@gmail.com, test plus personal@gmail.com, because I said to create aliases for the email test@gmail.com. Here you enter your dummy email or your own email and ChatGPT will create many of those, and those are all functional emails. Then you go to the Digen AI, click sign up and use some of those. Every time you will get 300 credits. I tried. So you can basically have unlimited number of the same email that is basically working just with this plus sign, because Google or Gmail is disregarding everything after plus sign and just uses test@gmail.com or your own email. Or you can, for example, use temp email or many others where you just get your temporary email. Sometimes it works, sometimes not, because many other users perhaps used. Then you can just refresh. And this tool is actually working with all of those. I tried also Qwen AI. It is not working with those temporary emails, nor with aliases, if you thought about that. So yeah, basically 5 tools plus one additional interesting tool for AI video generation. All of them can be used for free. Some have pretty good video generation, some not so good, but actually they are unlimited and free. And that was basically the idea for this video. I hope you found the value in this tutorial, and if you did, please do like and subscribe, and we'll talk some next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.